Good morning, children. In this session, we are going to learn about pie chart or chapati chart. Under that topic, smart chart. Children, shall we go?
Hi friends, I am looking at some interesting charts in my activity board. It is so much easier to understand information through a chart, and it's fun too. Look at this chart. This type of a chart is called a pie chart or a chapati chart. Let's find out what is this chart trying to say. This pie chart shows the different occupations followed by 80 people of Ranapur village. Look, the table shows the number of people who are farmers, potters or weavers. Let's understand how the pie chart is drawn. In a total of 80 people, there are 40 farmers. So the numbers of farmers can be given as a fraction as 40 by 80. But
So, children, this chart has looked like chapati, no? So, only they are called chapati chart or else pie chart. So, we have used pie chart only here. So, the below pie chart shows the different occupation followed by 80 people of Ranapur village. So, total number of people, how many of them? 80. They given here. Suppose they don't give means don't bother about that. We have find the total. Then we can calculate the total amount of people. But here the farmers, the occupation here they given. The farmers 40 numbers. The potters 20 people. Then weavers 20. So we add now 0 plus 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So, totally 80. But they given already 80 peoples are there. Then, children, already we studied the fraction, you know. So, here also, we have to convert this in fraction. The farmer occupies how much region in the pie chart. So, farmers, number of farmers how much? 40 out of 80. So children, I cut the 2 zeros up and down. Remaining, I have 4 and 8. 4 divided by 8 alone. So, the 4 and 8 are both are divided by 4 table. So 1 4 is 4. Then 2 4s are 8. So what comes here? 2. So our fraction is 1 divided by 2. So 40 divided by 80 is nothing but 1 divided by 2. That means the half portion. See here, the farmer occupies a half of the circle, you know. So our answer is correct.
80. But 40 by 80 can be simplified to the fraction 1 by 2 or half. So, we can say that half the total number of people are farmers. We depict this by shading half the circle and labeling this portion as farmers. Similarly, in a total of 80 people, there are 20 potters. So the number of potters can be written as a fraction as 20 by 80.
So children, now listen, the potter's portion is 20 divided by 80. Out of 80, how many potters are there? 20. So 20 divided by 80. Again the same like we cut here. We cut the 0, both are 0. Then what we have? 2 divided by 8. Both 2 and 8 are divided by the 2 table. 1, 2 is 2. Then 4 twos are 8. So 4. Here what comes here? 4. So what's our fraction now? 1 divided by 4. That means quarter. See here, the potter occupies the quarter amount, you know. So the 1 by 4 is a quarter portion of the circle or pie chart. Is it clear?
So, a quarter of the total number of people are quarters. We can depict this by shading a quarter of the circle and labeling it as quarters. Since the number of weavers is also 20 among 50 people, we can say that a quarter of the total number of people are weavers.
So children, the weavers also the same amount of peoples only. The 20 divided by 80. Out of 80, the 20 peoples are weavers. Again the same one, we cut both 0 up and down. The numerator and denominator, we cut the zeros. Then what we have? We have 2 divided by 8. Again we cut by the 2 table. 1, 2 is 2 and 2 4s are 8. So what we get? 1 divided by 4. So weavers also again get the region, the quarter, 1 by 4. This one half, this quarter. So quarter plus quarter is half. So both the potters and weavers get the region of the half portion. Is it clear?
This too is represented by shading a quarter of the circle and labeling it as weavers. You see, it's very simple to create and understand a pie chart. Why don't you help me with the next chart by answering a few questions? Students of class 4 were asked what their favorite subjects are. The pie chart shown here represents the choices of those students. Can you tell how many students like science? Pick the correct option.
Children, listen here what they ask. What's our question? How many students like science? They ask in form of fraction, the half, quarter, 3 by 4 and 1 by 3. So how much? The mathematics means it's occupy the region half, but the science and English share the half region. That means science 1 by 4 and English 1 by 4. So what is the part of the science? 1 by 4. Where it is? The second option. Children, listen one more time. I explain. The mathematics has occupied half of the region and English quarter and science also quarter. So quarter plus quarter is half. So half plus half, the whole region. Is it clear? So what's the portion of science now? The half. One by 4. So our answer is correct. children, our question is 36 students of class 4 were asked that their favorite subjects are. The pie chart shows here represents the choice of those students. How many students like English? So how many of them like English? We know very well the 1/4, the quarter region only occupied by the English chapter. The total number of students how much? 36. So children, I multiply this 36 by quarter. That means 1 divided by 4. So there is 36, here 4. Which table cut both 4 and 36? Yes, correct. The 4 table. 1 4 is 4. The 9 4s are 36. So what comes here? 9. So children, 36 multiplied by 1 divided by 4, get the answer 9. Because 9 ones are 9. In the denominator, we get 1. So I put the denominator 1. Denominator 1 means we can write the whole number. So 9 is the answer. So the fraction we can write likewise 9. The whole number 9. So what our answer now? 9. Where it is? Is it in the option C? So I select the option C now. So our answer is correct. So next one.
How many students like mathematics? Pick the correct option.
So this is a direct question. We can give direct answer. How many students like mathematics? Here they ask about in fraction form only half, 1/3, 1/4 and 3/4. How much it can occupy? Is occupied by the half of the region. So where it is? The option A. I select the option A. So our answer is correct. The next question is,
What will you get if you add the number of students who like English and the number of students who like mathematics? Pick the correct option.
children, can you understand the question? Here they ask about the number of students like English as well as the number of students who like mathematics. Already we find the number of students who like English. How much? We find out 9. So we need to find the number of students who like mathematics. So I multiply the 36 by the half. So both 36 and 2 is divided by 2 table. Is it clear? So how many times? 1, 1, 2 is 2. Here I cut the 3. How many times? 2 in 3, 1 time. Remaining 1. What I get? 16 now. So how many times? 2 in 16? 8. 8 2s are 16. So now 18 multiplied by 1 is equal to how much? 18 ones are 18. Then in the denominator what we have? We have 1 in the denominator. So I put the same denominator 1. So I already told in the denominator we have 1 means we can take it as the whole number. What we have? 18 in the numerator. So I take it as 18. So what's our answer? Is our answer is 18 is correct or 9 is correct? No. Here they ask about if you add the numbers, that means we need to add 18 and 9. So what we get? 18 plus 9 We get 27. So where it is 27? The option B. So I need to select the option B. So our answer is correct.
Aren't pie charts fun and simple? Try reading some other pie charts on your app. Have fun!
Children, I hope you all learn the pie chart well. Thank you, children.